Hi there, welcome to 0xcalls, and in today's video we're going to show you how to create a profile, how to set up your profile, how to make your first call, and also how to subscribe to a user on the platform. So first thing, let's jump onto the website and you'll be presented with this homepage. So once you're on the homepage, jump to the left hand side and you'll see the option sign in, sign up. So let's select that option and you can see there's a whole array of different ways in which to sign in to the network. You've got sign in with Google, Discord, GitHub, Telegram, and even using your Web3 wallet. In this case, we're going to use our email address. So what you want to do is drop your email address into the field. Our email address is here. Select the privacy policy and click sign in with email. Now, once that's done, you're going to be presented with an OTP. So what you want to do is jump over to your email. And once you're on your email address, you want to find the OTP. Now, copy that OTP, go back to the home page and paste it in. Then you want to press continue. Now, OTP is verified. There we go. So that's how you sign in to the platform with an email address. So the first thing we want to look at on this tutorial video is how to set up your profile. So on the left hand side, you'll see my profile. So select that option. Now when you jump into there, you'll see that you're presented with a banner and a display image. You've also got options on your profile down here, but all of those are not filled in as it's a brand new profile. So the first thing, let's customize the profile, something unique to yourself. So down here in these tabs, let's click profile. In there, you'll have the ability to change your name and upload artwork. So let's call ourselves 0xcalls.ai and let's do a mix. Let's put the AI in the last name like this. It's got our email address, which we pre-put in. And this is the @handle. This is the handle that you'll be found on the platform. So it's 0xcalls.ai. Now you can choose an avatar and a cover. So click choose file and find some artwork. In this case, we've got this artwork ready here, which is the logo. Let's press open there. And for the cover, we're going to use this artwork here, which is a microchip. So press open. Now down here you've got an option to put in a website, a Twitter handle, and a Telegram handle. So these are all customizations to make your profile unique to yourself. So let's press save changes. As you can see, a little load icon there. Now once that's done, you may need to refresh your browser. There we go. You can see now that 0xcalls.ai has a unique image on its profile picture. It has a unique image on its profile banner, and now the profile is ready and customizable to yourself. So you can see here that we haven't made any calls. So let's go ahead and make our first call on the platform. So to make a call, you can see here you've got create a new call field. Enter the token address in here and select the network. So for this example, let's go over to 0xcalls token. Let's grab the contract address and let's come back and let's paste it in. Now from here, you'll see we can then select the network. So 0xcalls is on Ethereum, so we select Ethereum. And there we go, it's recognized that token straight away. For an example, if I was to choose Polygon, you'll see that it won't work, as it doesn't understand the contract address. So make sure you've got the right chain selected. There we go. So now we can see the price in which it's at currently. This is the price we're going to call it at. You can see the market cap and a lot more information about the token. Down here you can see you've got an option to do public or subscribers. So for this call, we're going to keep it public. We will look into subscribers in the next few videos. Once you're happy with the price that you want to call it at and the token address and the network, press create call. There we go. So 0xcalls has just called 0xcalls. So if we jump back and we're on our profile, now we can see total calls made 1, average call X, which is 1 because it's new, and it shows 1 stable and a 0% win rate as we haven't had any success yet. And we scroll down on our profile, we can see here that there is a token that is being called just now. And if we go over to the home page of the website, you will see there 0xcalls just called 0xcalls. So pretty good. Now, as you can see here, you have something called premium members. Now what you can do is you can subscribe to different people on the platform. So let's have a look at some of these individuals. Let's go to the account of Hugo. Now let's say I want to subscribe to this platform. I can see here there's an array of different calls by this user, and I can see the win rate and the average X. So I want to subscribe to Hugo's profile. So what I want to do is press subscribe, and first it's going to ask me to connect my wallet. So let's press that and let's confirm. It's going to load our MetaMask. Great. So there we go. Now we've connected our wallet to the platform. It gives us the option to subscribe to Hugo. So subscribe to Hugo for this amount. So let's press subscribe. You'll see it's going to make a transaction in our wallet. Okay, so we're happy with that. I'm going to press confirm. Now it's just loading. As we can see, the loading tab here. Give it a few seconds to confirm that transaction. Now once we're subscribed to Hugo, it allows us to be able to do a whole array of different things. Thank you for subscribing to Hugo, and a fantastic little graphic there on the page. So now we've just subscribed to a profile on CallHub. We can go back to our profile and we can see, well, what if we want people to subscribe to our profile? So down here in the profile tab, you can see here you've got subscriptions, subscribe to, subscribers, and your Telegram. So let's say subscribers, subscriptions. There we go. You can see I'm subscribed to Hugo and the date in which it was paid, and you can see the transaction on the Explorer here. So if I go to subscription, I can put in a receiving address and an amount. So let's take our wallet address. Okay. Now let's paste that in there. And how much do we want to charge per month for a subscriber? So here we put 0.05 ETH, and we can press save. Subscription settings have been saved. So now on our profile, if we go back, we can see here now, if somebody was to subscribe to our profile, let's do a refresh. Go. Set up. Cool. So we can see now that our profile is set up so that somebody can subscribe to our profile. And if somebody does subscribe to our profile, the ETH amount is 0.05, and this is the receiving address. So that's how you create your first call on 0xcalls. That's how you set up your profile, and that's how you subscribe to different users on the platform.